Yeah, good morning. This is Kevin Nagbabu, assistant professor in St. Peter's Engineering College. Today, the topic is equivalent circuit in the phasor diagram of synchronous motor. A synchronous motor is same as that of all respective as the synchronous generator, except that the direction of the power is reverse. The equivalent circuit of the synchronous motor consists of armature resistance, armature reactance, and the excitation voltage, and the terminal voltage is. So for this, by applying KVL to this loop, the total expression is like this: F is equal to V minus IRA minus J into IA into XA, which collectively called as minus, taking IA as common, RA plus J into XA, that is equal to V minus IA into ZA, where ZA is called armature impedance. So this is the equivalent circuit which consists of impedance and double excitations. Double excitations. We'll see. Now the phasor diagrams. Phasor diagrams is applicable for three power factors. One is lagging power factor, and unity power factor, and leading power factor. In lagging power factor, the armature current lags the voltage by some angle theta, and the unity power factor both are in phase, and leading power factor, the armature current leads the voltage. Now we'll see the phasor diagram for the lagging power factor. Taking the voltage as the reference, voltage on x-axis, and IA lags voltage. This is IA. IA lags voltage by an angle phi, and this is EF. EF also lags with an angle delta, and we know that from this equation, EF is equal to V minus IRA, or V is equal to EF plus IRA plus J into, so total V is equal to EF plus IRA. So this is IA, and in phase with this one, this is IA, RA, in phase, both are in phase, and IA axis is 90 degrees to IRA, IA, XA, IA, XA. So V is equal to E plus IRA plus J into IA, XS. This is the phasor diagram for lagging power factor. In lagging power factor, armature current lags voltage V. In unity power factor, both are in phase. Voltage and the current are in phase. So this is voltage, and the current direction also in the same direction of voltage. This is IRA, and this is 90 degrees IA into XS. UP of waveform phasor diagram. And coming to the leading power factor, voltage lags current, or current leads voltage. This is the current leads the voltage by an angle phi, and this is EF. So EF like this, and which is in the IRA in the direction of IA, 90 degrees IA into XS. This is for leading power factor. Okay, so there are three kinds of power factors where the diagrams are there based upon this equation. So V is equal to E plus IRA plus IA into XS. For lagging power factor, current lags voltage. That is why it will draw like this: current lags voltage by an angle phi, and V is equal to EF plus IRA plus J into XS. So in unity power factor, current in phase with voltage. So the that is the phase angle between the voltage and current is same. So that is V is equal to E plus IRA into IA into XS. Similarly, in leading power factor, current leads the voltage by an angle phi. So here the IRA direction is same as that of IA. So V is equal to E plus IRA plus IA into XS. So this is the phasor diagram, and the equivalent circuit also similar to the this alternator circuit.